Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Use 6 cups tortilla chips. Prepare 2 cups shredded cheddar. Chop 1 cup tomatoes and 1/2 cup red onion. Start by rinsing and drying 4 oz ramen, then slice into bite-sized pieces. Drain 1/15 oz can black beans and rinse. Set aside. Mince 2 tablespoons cilantro and slice 6 oz avocado just before assembly to avoid browning. Keep sour cream and salsa chilled. If you want hot nachos, heat toppings separately. These steps reduce sogginess and speed final assembly when you layer the salad. Layer chips, 1 cup beans, and 2 cups cheese. Add 4 oz ramen and 1/2 cup corn. Top with sliced avocado and 2 tablespoons cilantro. On a large platter, spread half the chips for base, sprinkle half the cheese and heat under broiler for 1 to 2 minutes until cheese bubbles. Remove and immediately add ramen, tomatoes, onion, and corn. Scatter remaining chips and cheese, broil again briefly. Then top with avocado to preserve texture and bright flavor as a composed nacho salad. Drizzle 3 tablespoon lime vinaigrette before serving. Serve with 1/2 cup salsa and 1/4 cup sour cream. Store leftover components separately for 24 hours. Whisk 3 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tsp honey, salt and pepper to make the vinaigrette. Toss just before plating. For individual plates, add chips, then 2 to 3 tablespoon vinaigrette so chips stay crunchy. Refrigerate unused salsa, shredded cheese, and ramen in separate containers. Reassemble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.